up, guys? Today we'll be going back to the cabin that we cleaned out. We did do some reorganization. Me and my family have been working our hinds end off to get that cabin clean, and we finally got it clean. And today we'll be going back there, spending the night, and then tomorrow we'll be hunting. Alright, I'll show y'all what we got. Right now we have the 30-06, the Remington 30-06. Right here we have the Heritage 22 revolver. And here we got some snacks, we got some Cheez-Its, we got some Top Ramen, we got some Vienna sausages, got some Spam, we got some more Spam, we got some more Spam, we got a Red Bull for tomorrow. Got some more Vienna sausages. Got some deviled ham. And got some Little Debbie's down there somewhere. Did forget one thing, the Glock. The Glock 19. We'll be bringing that back there, and I'll get to y'all as soon as I get back there. I'm taking a little lunch break right now, and I'll show y'all how I make my turkey sandwich. Get as much Dagburn turkey as you can and a tad bit of mayonnaise. If you don't like your good old turkey sandwich, son, I got a place for you to go. In the Dagburn trash can, where you belong. God, boy, look at all that Dagburn soda pop. I'll show y'all else. I'll show y'all what else I like with my lunch. Got my turkey sandwich and I got me some milk. But I'm not lame. Y'all, I gotta fill her up, son. We do not want the spoon that has mayonnaise on it. We get a spoon out of the cabinet. And that's how y'all get lunch with meal, son. Precise. Oh, time to try it. That's good. I'll see y'all when I'm at the cabin. Y'all, we have arrived at the cabin, and I rearranged and I have all my guns out and stuff. I'll show y'all what it looks like right now. Oh, yeah, I'll give y'all a montage. Now that y'all see what it looks like right now, I got my bed all made up, got the guns all here, got a mini hoop. But alright, so we're gonna fix this place up, like have the bad spots through here, like right up here and over here. We're gonna go ahead and try to work on those, and I'll see y'all whenever they get done. Is this your jam, Papa? Is this your jam?
Get my jam.
Yeah, is this your jam?
Yeah.
Lord, yeah. The sun is going down, so I will get to y'all whenever it is morning time. AKA hunting time, old son. My Lord, what kind of shine are you cutting, buddy? Alright, y'all, I'm currently outside with the old Glock 19. Out on the porch, it is currently like 7 o'clock, and I'm seeing if I can see anything run by and see if I can pop something. My grandfather is in there trying to sleep. Oh, seeing deer out. Right. See. Golly, I'm getting too tall, son. Anywho, I'm see if I can see anything, if I can get me a kill late at night for a coyote or a bear or something. Dagburn, I don't know. Whatever Dagburn walks and is in season, I'll get back to y'all if I kill anything. Alright, see y'all. What's up, guys? It's the morning time and I've been hunting for like the past 2 hours. It's like 8 o'clock right now and I'm starting to think deer don't exist. It's so windy, the treetops are moving. What the heck was that? I just heard a fox squeal. What the heck? I don't see anything. Well, I guess I'm gonna go back to the house. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Peace.